Hi, welcome to the Arthur Holm booth here at InfoComm in Las Vegas 2024. My name is Henrik and I would like to take you through the Arthur Holm booth to show you a bit what is new this year at the show. Starting out with our new monitor that is nominated for an award. We are very excited to see if we're going to win for this product. It's called the Arthur Holm Dynamic DB3. It's a monitor that has a different profile with a lot of different options in working positions, and it's going to be fully equipped with cameras, touchscreen, retractable microphones, and whatever you could think of. But it's a product that has a very low profile if you want to, so that you keep the visibility to the person sitting behind it. And it's also a great product that will work up on podiums and executive desk and reception areas. On this table we have a couple of more things. We have our customized solutions for parliaments and other similar types of installation where we can combine screens and microphones together with conference systems where we have the voting possibilities, both as a vertical moving product but also as a smaller foldable product that doesn't take up a lot of space but still give you a unique product experience for communication and for going through different documents, for voting and also interpretations, with microphones either together with the product or on the side. So let's go to a new location. So here at the show we got a couple of nominations for Best of Show, and we already know that we won Best of Show for the new Arthur Holm Dynamic Cable Retract, which is for USB-C cable. It's generation 3, and we're very pleased with that, so thank you very much for voting for our product. It's a motorized solution where you get 3 feet of cable coming out, and you can use it for charging or for video signal management. That's not the only product that we are showing here. We also have our dynamic speaker, which is a motorized speaker to be placed in the table with a flat frequency response. It has an amplifier built in, so we are on line input with a bass reflect cabinet, and it gives you a very high audio quality for sound and voice reproduction. We saw the retractable cable that can also be combined here as an HDMI cable together with the monitor, and it gives us the possibility of connecting a laptop, choosing the signal on the screen and then sharing it to the other participant around the table. So this solution is called the Dynamic Share, and it makes the table stand alone. That means that you can connect up to 20 displays just by daisy chaining them using the HDMI cable, and each participant can connect a laptop and share when it's their time. And the last thing I want to show you at this location is our Dynamic CL, which stands for camera lift. It's a camera lift that is designed for 360 cameras, and as you can see here, we don't have a camera in it at the moment, but we are showing a Yeti bottle instead. But it do work with Panasonic cameras, with Neat cameras, Logitech and other cameras for central placement in the table. And you also have the cable connectivity already in the system, so you're ready to go. Just connect your laptop and start your meeting. And everything will retract when no longer needed. So let's go and have a look at another location. So again, one more new product here at the show is the Arthur Holm MCS, which is a motorized camera solution with a HD SDI camera, a microphone and a built-in speaker. This gives you the possibility of having camera distributors all over the table, and they pop up when you need them. And it gives you the unique possibility that each person on a video call, for example, shows up in the same way. The product itself, you have a couple of features on it where you can switch off and on the mic. The person using it can do that for privacy, as well as they can switch off the camera. That gives you a personal control. You can also decide to bypass those functions, but it's a way of giving participants in meeting the possibility of having a private conversation, so you can both take the audio and the video out. And again, It is a little indicator that will indicate the status of the camera and the microphone as well. As you can see, it changes between flashing, green and red. So you have different flashing mode as well if you need it to be prepared for colorblind people as well. So that was a small tour of the Arthur Holm booth here at the InfoComm. Please come and join us and see the rest of the products that we are showing. And if you want to find out more, you can go to arthurholm.com. Thank you.